Hey YouTube, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jody Taylor. Today I'm gonna be walking you through my super simple skincare routine for my face. I guess we could call it basic. Now, before we get into that, thank you for hitting play. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So this is super simple. You ready? Number one, I wash my face and I use Ivory Bar Soap. I have been using this on and off all of my life. I generally don't buy face wash. I can't remember the last time I bought face wash, like a whole big bottle. I did buy a travel set from Burt's Bees that included a face wash that I really liked. I'll include that travel set mini kit in the description. But for everyday, Ivory Bar Soap. Pretty simple. And yes, it's also my bath soap. Like I said, basic. Okay, so my face is washed. Next thing I use is Neutrogena Rapid Clear treatment pads. I think I've been using these for about 15 years. Very simple. I use this every single day, wash my face, and then treatment pads. And then last, number three, Black Girl Sunscreen. I've been using this over 5 years now. And before I was using this, I used Korean or Japanese gel-based sunscreen. Why gel-based and why Black Girl Sunscreen? Because this isn't gel-based, but what I like about it, you see it goes on white, but there is no, well, you can't see. I should have put it on my face, right? That would make more sense. It's on my face now, but there's no white cast. And so for someone like me with dark skin, and I have been using sunscreen for many, many years. When I first started using sunscreen, every single bottle, every brand that I tried always left a white cast or tint to my face. I have pictures of white eyebrows from my sunscreen. Neutrogena had a brilliant sunscreen back in the day, and it was tinted and it was dark, and for some reason they discontinued it. If they brought it back, please let me know. Next up, so then I wash my face, I put my treatment pad, I have my sunscreen. This is the chapstick that I use every single day, which is really a swivel stick. It's from Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. So that's what it looks like. And I think 2 or 3 come in a pack. And so I use it as a chapstick, but you can also use it for like a little touch-up skincare. And then if I'm feeling frisky, I will put on a lip gloss. If you've watched my videos in the past, this is the lip gloss that I probably wear the most besides MAC High Drama. This one is from NYX and it is called Lava Cake. I just literally opened this one today. It's brand new. So I'll put it on. Smells like candy to me. I love it. Yeah, that's it. Now, every once in a while, I will get a pimple. Treatment pads aside, and that's where Welly comes in. I'm going to look for the description because I want to say the right, this is empty. I want to say the right description. Hold on a second. So I'll show you what they look like. So basically, if I get a pimple, and it always happens when I have an event coming up. So this is what it looks like close up. You can see I've been using it. You put it exactly on that spot, and I leave it usually overnight. And I may need, depending on the pimple, I may need to use it for 2 or 3 days in a row. And so it says Welly Bandages Face Savers Hydrocolloid. That's the word I didn't know. Hydrocolloid Acne Blemish Patch. Small shape, clear. I just use it every once in a while. So that's it. That's my face skincare routine. What do you recommend? What do you use? What's your daily routine like? Is mine too basic or is it not basic enough? Should I strip something away? The lip gloss I actually don't wear every day. The lip gloss is the thing that I don't wear every day. And the Welly, I don't use it every day. Otherwise, this is what I use. This is what makes this face that you see right here. All right, please share your recommendations for your face skincare routine, and thank you for watching. Again, please like and subscribe, and I appreciate you. In the comments, please let me know what your favorite face skincare products are and why. Thanks for watching.